Hey guys, wanna know how to access or use tutorials in Google AI Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, accessing tutorials is pretty simple, but you cannot do it directly from Google AI Studio. What you need to do is simply head on to console.cloud.google.com. Now, once you're there, make sure you're logged in with a Google AI linked account. And once you're there, you should be on this page right here where you should be provided with your projects and a lot of stuff. So since you want to access tutorials, just simply select this search bar right here. Now once I've selected the search bar, just simply head towards tutorial and search up for it. Just simply type in tutorial. Now there should be various tutorials that you will be seeing right here, from tutorials overview of Vertex AI all the way to Cloud TPU tutorials and much more. So you can just simply select any one of these and this will open up a new document. And in this document right here, you can see all quick starts and tutorials you can see. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.